As I'd been a stay-at-home mum for several years, I was looking to do something different and something challenging in different ways. I've always been interested in art and design since I was young and have done some photography previously, so the course was obviously a very creative course, and this course was part-time and enabled me to be able to do those things without impacting too greatly on my family commitments. The course has meant lots of things to me. It has given me new confidence, it's given me lots of new skills, it's given me a greater understanding of my abilities. So many aspects of it were really good fun and really interesting. Coleg y Cymoedd has many campuses all around the area. There's a lot of availability of courses for local people. If you study a foundation degree, then the connections that the college has with the University of South Wales are really great. Through doing the course, I think I've got a lot of options available to me, but I do feel that my horizons are quite broad through doing the course. I've become much more aware of what I might have to offer a potential employer. The tutors on the course were excellent and were always available and supportive. They were always encouraging. The tutors were always able to be flexible and help me and encourage me along throughout the whole of the course.
If you wanted to embark upon a new course, I would say give it a go, definitely, because if you want to push yourself, if you want to learn more, I definitely say do it. You'll become a better photographer and you'll open up a whole world of career options, not just in photography, but in the arts in general. Career-wise, you'll definitely push yourself forward. Lynda's motivation, I suppose, was the main thing in her gaining the nomination, and her level of determination to complete the course over the last 2 years has been absolutely superb. Out of all the students that I teach, Lynda was the ideal candidate because she's supportive to other students, she helps other students in class. As a photographer, she's progressed wonderfully and she's a really, really strong photographer. She's very much looking forward to embarking upon a proper photographic career.
I feel quite overwhelmed at winning the award. I didn't expect to be nominated. I definitely didn't expect to win. I did work hard through the year, but I really enjoyed the work that I did as well. Yeah, so it's quite an overwhelming thing, really. I would definitely recommend studying. I think that you can gain so much from it. I think it's really good to get out and do something that you really enjoy, and it can be really healthy and really uplifting.